Hello everyone, welcome back to Business English Desk, the channel that makes learning English actually enjoyable. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie. Laura, I have to say, you're absolutely glowing today. What's got you in such a great mood?
Thanks. You know what? I just love doing these episodes with you. There's something special about helping people find their voice in English.
I feel the same way. Plus, I had the most amazing breakfast this morning. Pancakes, eggs, and, here's the important part, a perfect cup of coffee.
Of course, you and your coffee. I swear, if coffee were a person, you two would be married by now.
Hey, don't judge. Everyone needs their thing. Speaking of things we need, though, what's on the menu for today's episode?
So today, we're diving into something really practical. Essential English phrases for everyday conversations. You know, the stuff you actually use when you're out in the real world.
Oh, that's huge. I mean, you can memorize 1,000 vocabulary words, but if you don't know how to actually use them in a conversation, you're kind of stuck, right?
Exactly. We want our listeners to feel totally confident, whether they're at the grocery store, chatting with coworkers, or just making small talk with their neighbor.
Love it. I'm ready to jump in. But wait, we should probably ask our amazing listeners for a quick favor first.
Oh yes. Okay, everyone. If you're enjoying what we do here, would you mind hitting that like button? It literally takes 2 seconds.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. When you subscribe, it tells us we're doing something right, and it helps us keep making these episodes for you.
Also, if you know someone who's learning English, a friend, a coworker, a family member, share this with them. Learning together is always more fun.
All right, now I'm genuinely excited. Where do we start, Laura?
Let's kick things off with greetings. Everyone knows hello and how are you, but in real conversations, people mix it up quite a bit.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Like I'll hear people say, "How's it going?" all the time.
How's it going is perfect. It's friendly, casual, and super common. You'll hear it everywhere.
Does it mean the same thing as "How are you"?
Pretty much, yeah, but it feels a little less formal, more relaxed.
Got it. So if someone asks me, "How's it going?" what do I say back?
You could say, "It's going well, thanks," or keep it simple with, "Good, thanks."
Good, thanks. Short and sweet. I like it.
Perfect. Now here's another one. What's up?
Oh yeah, I hear that in movies all the time. What's up? Can I use that with everyone?
Not quite. That one's better for friends or people you're comfortable with. It's pretty informal.
So I shouldn't walk up to my boss, Mr. Henderson, and be like, "Hey, what's up?"
Probably not the best idea. For Mr. Henderson, stick with "How are you today?"
Okay, so how are you today for the boss? What's up for my buddy Tom? Got it.
You're catching on fast. Now, let's talk about being polite. This is really important in English-speaking cultures.
Right. Please and thank you. The golden rules of English.
Those are essential, absolutely. But there's more to it. Like when you need to get someone's attention or ask for something, you usually start with "Excuse me."
Excuse me, like when I need to squeeze past someone on a crowded bus?
Exactly. Or if you need to ask a stranger for directions. "Excuse me, where's the train station?"
Ah, so it's like a polite way of saying, "Hey, I need to talk to you for a second."
That's a great way to put it. Now, what if you make a small mistake? What do you say?
I'm sorry.
Right, but here's a useful tip. If you didn't hear what someone said, you can just say "sorry" with a rising tone at the end.
Like a question? Sorry?
Yes, that rising tone basically means, "I didn't catch that. Could you say that again?"
That's really helpful. Sometimes people talk so fast and I just don't understand.
Happens to all of us. Another good phrase for that situation is, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Wait, did you just say, "Could you repeat that, please"?
I did. See how natural that was? Could you repeat that, please? It's polite and clear.
I'm definitely going to use that one. It makes me feel less awkward about asking.
Don't ever feel awkward about asking. Most people are genuinely happy to help.
Okay, what about when I'm at a store or a restaurant? Those situations always make me a little nervous.
Shopes are actually great for practicing. Here's a super useful one. How much is this?
How much is this? That's for asking the price, right?
Yep, you point at a shirt or an apple and say, "How much is this?"
And if I decide to buy it, I say, "I'll take it."
Perfect. Or at a cafe, you can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have? I like that. It sounds way better than just "give me coffee."
Oh yeah, "give me" can sound a bit demanding. "Can I have" is much more polite and friendly.
Can I have a green tea, please?
There you go. And when you're ready to pay, you ask, "Can I have the check, please?"
The check, that's the bill, right? The paper with the total?
Exactly. Some places say check, others say bill. Both work fine.
Can I have the bill, please? Okay, I'm mentally filing all of these away.
Good. Now, what if you want to offer help to someone?
I'd probably say, do you need help?
That works. Or you could say, "Can I help you with that?"
Can I help you with that? That sounds really kind.
It is. People really appreciate hearing that. And when someone helps you, you say, "Thank you so much."
And they'll usually say, you're welcome.
Right. Or sometimes they'll say, "No problem."
No problem. I like that. It sounds relaxed and casual.
It is. I use "no problem" constantly.
Laura, here's something I struggle with. When I'm in a conversation, I want to show that I'm actually listening. I don't want to just sit there like a statue.
That's such a good question. We call these listening noises or back channeling.
Listening noises?
Yeah, like mm-hmm and uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
But also phrases like "I see," "Really?" and "That's interesting."
Wait, I see. Does that mean I'm literally looking at something?
No, in this context, "I see" means "I understand."
Ah, I see. So if you tell me a story about your dog, I can say, I see, to show I'm following along.
Exactly. Or if someone tells you something surprising, you say, "Really?"
Really? I actually do that already. It just comes naturally.
It does. And if the story is good or exciting, you can say, "That's great," or "That's awesome."
That's awesome. I feel like I'm getting the hang of this.
You are. You just need to keep practicing these every day.
Practice is the tricky part, though.
It doesn't have to be. You can practice while you're walking, cooking, even just hanging out at home.
Hanging out at home, talking to my couch?
Why not? I talk to my coffee mug sometimes.
Okay, you win.
Let's talk about saying goodbye. Goodbye is fine, but there are more natural ways to do it.
Like, see you later?
Yes, "see you later" is super common, or "see you soon."
What's the difference between those two?
"See you later" usually implies you'll see them again today. "See you soon" is just a friendly, general way to say bye.
And there's have a nice day. I hear that at the supermarket all the time.
"Have a nice day" is a classic. Very positive, very American.
I like to say take care. Is that okay?
Take care is lovely. It shows you genuinely care about the person.
Okay, so see you later, have a nice day, and take care.
Perfect. Now, let's try a role play. Imagine you're at a party and you meet someone new.
Ooh, a party. I do enjoy a good party. Music, food, good vibes.
Right. So you see someone standing by themselves. You walk up. What do you say?
I'd smile and say, hello, I'm Jamie. What's your name?
Good start. The person says, "I'm Maria."
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Perfect. "Nice to meet you" is the go-to phrase for new people.
But then what? I don't know Maria. There's this awkward silence. That's the scary part.
Don't panic. Just ask a simple question about the party.
Like, do you like the music?
Yes, or "How do you know the host?"
How do you know the host? Oh, that's good. Gets them talking.
Or you could say, "It's a great party, isn't it?"
Isn't it? That's like asking their opinion, right?
Exactly. It invites them into the conversation.
This is really helping. I think a lot of people get nervous because they think they need to say something profound or clever.
You're absolutely right. But simple, genuine phrases are usually the best. They keep the conversation flowing naturally.
Flowing like water.
Exactly. A good conversation should move easily, not feel forced.
I want my English to flow like a river.
It will. You just need to keep your toolbox full of these phrases.
My toolbox. I like that metaphor.
Speaking of tools, think about work situations. Your colleague asks for your opinion.
Like, what do you think about the new office layout?
Right. If you agree with them, you can say, "I agree with you."
Simple enough.
And if you're unsure, you can say, "I'm not sure about that."
I'm not sure. That's polite. Way better than, no, you're wrong.
Exactly. Avoid "you're wrong" in professional settings. Instead, try, "I see your point, but..."
I see your point, but... Wow, that sounds really professional.
It is. It's diplomatic. You acknowledge their perspective before offering yours.
My brain is getting full of all these phrases.
Don't worry, we're almost done. Let's do one more scenario. You're visiting a friend's house for dinner.
Okay, so my friend invites me over. I show up, ring the doorbell.
They open the door.
I say, "Hi, thank you for inviting me."
Perfect. Maybe you brought a small gift, a bottle of wine, some flowers.
I hand it to them and say, "This is for you."
Excellent. Your friend says, "Oh, thank you. Come in."
I walk inside and wow, the house is beautiful. I say, "You have a beautiful home."
That's a wonderful compliment. Compliments are like magic in conversations.
Magic words. "You have a beautiful home. I like your shirt. The food is delicious."
Yes, people love genuine compliments. It makes them feel appreciated and creates a warm atmosphere.
I'm going to use more compliments. I want to be a conversation magician.
I love that. Jamie, the conversation magician.
Thank you, Laura. You're a really great teacher.
Aw, Jamie, that's so sweet. Thank you.
See? It works.
It really does. Well, we've covered a ton of ground today.
We have greetings, politeness, shop. We have greetings, politeness, shopping, work conversations, parties.
It was packed, but I think we kept it fun.
Definitely. And honestly, these phrases don't feel hard to use. They're pretty straightforward.
They are, and here's the thing everyone needs to remember. You don't have to be perfect. Just try.
Exactly. Making a small mistake is totally okay. The important thing is to communicate.
Communication over perfection. We talked about that in a previous episode.
That's my favorite rule.
Mine too. Okay, Jamie, we're running out of time. Should we do a quick recap of what we covered?
Let's do it.
We started with greetings, how's it going, and what's up?
Then we covered polite phrases like, "Excuse me," "Sorry," and "Could you repeat that, please?"
Don't forget the cafe essentials. Can I have a coffee? And can I have the check?
Right. And the listening responses. "I see." "Really?" They show you're engaged.
And compliments. That's awesome. I like your style.
Finally, goodbyes. "See you later." "Take care."
We really did pack a lot in.
It was great, though. I feel like I learned a ton, even as the co-host.
That's what I love about these conversations. We're always learning together. All right, before we wrap up, we have a question for everyone listening.
Yes. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite English phrase to use in daily conversation?
Or share a story about a time you used one of these phrases in real life. We genuinely love reading your experiences.
It's the best part of our day, honestly. Seeing you all out there practicing and getting confident.
It really is. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Business English Desk.
And smash that like button. It helps us reach more learners.
Share this with your friends who are learning English. Let's build this community together.
The bigger we grow, the more people we can help speak with confidence.
Well, Jamie, I think that's a wrap.
I think so too. I'm actually going to go practice these phrases right now.
Good luck. Go work that magic.
Thanks, Laura. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Have a wonderful day.